I have 3 words for you. Cauliflower Bacon Bomb. Let's go. I have already steamed the cauliflower for about 5 minutes. So you take a big pot, you put about a ½ inch water in it, about a centimeter, and then you steam it full power for 5 minutes. You take it out. So I already cleaned the cauliflower inside, so you just take out the center. And then what we are going to do, and I'm going to start right away, is 1 kilogram of minced meat. And we are going to apply it all around the cauliflower. So we take this meat, we press it against the cauliflower. I'm sorry, it's very windy here. This is ready. Now the next step is going to be applying bacon all around this nice cauliflower bomb. So we take the bacon, I bought smoked bacon, you can take fresh bacon if you prefer, and you put it on top of the cauliflower. Just like this. This one is ready to go on the Kamado. The Kamado is already at 115-120 degrees Celsius. Now let's get this one on the Kamado for approximately 2 hours. Two hours later, the cauliflower bomb is ready. Now take this nice piece of meat off the Kamado and prepare a nice bechamel sauce to pour over this nice piece of meat. Follow me, I'll show you how to cook a bechamel sauce. For the sauce, it's very simple. We take 50 grams of fresh butter and we let it melt. So when the butter was melted, I added about 50 grams of flour, and now I mixed it all together with a whisk, and now look, it's getting brown on the bottom, and now we add 500 grams of milk. And now we mix until it is boiling. As you can see, it is now boiling, and now we add 2 grams of salt, 2 grams of pepper, 1 gram of garlic powder, and a little bit of nutmeg. Not much, a little bit, and we mix it all together. The bechamel has been made. I've shown you how to do it. It's very simple. And now, 2 hours and 15 minutes later, this is ready. Now we take it off the Kamado. There we go. Now we slice it in half. If I could tell you how this smells, I wish you could smell through a video. It smells amazing. Oh, look. Oh, wow. Look at the smoke ring. There's a smoke ring all over. Oh. Let's cut another piece. And now with a little bit of the bechamel sauce. And now we finish with a little bit of green on top. There we go. Now let's give this a try. Wow. This is so good. If you have any question, ask me. See you in my next video.